Welcome back to Tech Explorer. Today, we're unfolding something truly exciting, the Motorola Razr 50D, a stylish foldable smartphone that blends cutting-edge technology with a nostalgic flip phone design. Featuring a 6.9-inch fold-inner display with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, a 3.6-inch outer display for quick tasks, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and a 50MP dual camera system, this phone offers a premium experience for foldable enthusiasts. With a 4000 mAh battery and IPX8 water resistance, the Razr 50D promises to be both durable and functional. But is it worth the price? Let's dive into the details to find out. Motorola continues to refine its iconic Razr series, and the Razr 50D is a testament to that evolution. The phone features a sleek aluminum frame with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on both the inner and outer displays, making it resistant to scratches and drops. At just 7.1 mm thin when unfolded, the Razr 50D is remarkably slim, and the hinge mechanism feels sturdy and smooth. When folded, the phone fits perfectly in your palm or pocket, making it incredibly portable. The IPX8 water resistance adds another layer of durability, ensuring the phone can survive accidental spills or brief submersion in water. Available in two stunning finishes, Phantom Black and Crimson Red, the Razr 50D exudes elegance and sophistication. The 6.9-inch fold inner display is the star of the Razr 50D. With full HD Plus resolution, 10-bit color support, and a 120Hz refresh rate, the screen offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth animations. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, the inner display is both durable and immersive, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or browsing social media. The 3.6-inch outer display is perfect for quick interactions. From managing notifications to controlling music or snapping selfies, the outer screen enhances convenience. You can even customize widgets and use it as a mini dashboard for your daily tasks. Together, these displays offer a seamless blend of functionality and style, making the Razr 50D a delight for foldable phone enthusiasts. Powering the Razr 50D is the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring top-notch performance for everything from gaming to multitasking. The phone comes with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, making app launches and file transfers incredibly fast. Whether you're running heavy games like Genshin Impact or editing videos, the Razr 50D handles it all effortlessly. Motorola software optimizations combined with Android 14 ensure a smooth and intuitive experience. Plus, the 5G connectivity and Wi-Fi 6E support ensure blazing fast internet speeds. The 50MP dual camera system on the Motorola Razr 50D is designed to deliver versatile photography. The 50MP primary sensor comes with optical image stabilization, OIS, and advanced AI features, ensuring sharp and vibrant photos in any lighting condition. The 13MP ultrawide lens doubles as a macro shooter, letting you capture breathtaking landscapes and intricate close-ups. The outer display doubles as a viewfinder, making it easier to frame selfies with the primary camera for superior quality. On the inner display, the 32MP selfie camera handles video calls and selfies effortlessly for video enthusiasts. The phone supports 4K video recording with features like HDR10+ and AI stabilization, making it a great tool for content creators. Foldable phones often struggle with battery life, but the Motorola Razr 50D addresses this with its 4000 mAh battery. It's optimized to last a full day of moderate use, even with its dual displays. When it's time to charge, the phone supports 33W fast charging, taking it from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. While it doesn't feature wireless charging, the efficient wired charging ensures minimal downtime. For users who prioritize battery endurance in a stylish foldable design, the Razr 50D delivers a solid performance. Motorola's MyUX interface, based on Android 14, is clean and user-friendly. It offers a near-stock Android experience with a few added features like Moto Actions, which allow you to control the phone with simple gestures. The outer display is highly customizable, letting you add widgets for weather, calendar, and quick app access. For multitasking, the Flex mode allows you to use the phone partially folded, turning it into a mini laptop for video calls or presentations. Security is handled by a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock, both of which are quick and reliable. The Motorola Razr 50D is priced at around $999, placing it in direct competition with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Oppo Find N3 Flip. While Samsung offers a larger ecosystem and Oppo excels in cameras, the Razr 50D stands out with its bigger outer display, better durability, and balanced performance. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a foldable with a focus on practicality and design. So, is the Motorola Razr 50D the foldable for you? With its stunning displays, flagship performance, versatile cameras, and premium design, it ticks most of the boxes for a foldable in 2024. While the battery life and lack of wireless charging may leave some wanting more, the Razr 50D's unique features and style make it a compelling choice. What do you think about Motorola's latest foldable? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.